Allan Donaldson, Senior Sales Engineer for Tritech. What can you tell us about Tritech's products today on this stand?
So today we're showcasing our Gemini range of products, including the recently launched Gemini 1200 ID. This is the same platform and physical size as the industry standard 720 IS model. This offers an easy upgrade path to higher resolution imaging for work-class ROVs. We've also got the Gemini 1200 IKD and the Micron Gemini 720S. So this is following the line of the industry standard platforms. We've got the big work-class ROVs, we've got the medium-sized inspection observation class ROVs, and the little micro ROVs that are all covered by our Gemini range. We're also promoting our 3-year extended warranty and our competitive pricing. We also have service and support facilities in both the US and the UK.